Bring your game to Brantley. If you're into finding the best that Alabama has to offer at whitetail deer hunting, bring your varsity game to Brantley, Alabama. Get ready to hunt private South Alabama land. You and your friends can experience Southern-style deer hunting the way it was meant to be. Thousands of acres of private land will be made available for this one time a year. You get to hunt what the local hunters own. Fantastic Alabama deer hunting, great Southern charm, a whole hog cookout, and more. Suit up and bring the team. It's game on in Brantley.